Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. This small video, I just want to explain to you the importance of mise en place. Okay, what you could do for mise en place, which I think is a brilliant idea. First of all, I'll explain to you what mise en place is, which means everything in its place, okay, before you start doing something, which is also related to food preparation as well. A wonderful trick that I picked up in my many years of experience is buying one of these trays just from Kmart or Target or the $2 shop, wherever you do your shopping. They're quite cheap, and then what you can do is you have all your ingredients that are on your recipe in the order that you're going to cook them. So for this simple chicken and rice dish, what we've got is we've got our chicken prep, so this will be our starting point, and then basically we'll work around the board in order of the ingredients and when we're putting them in. Let's just say, for example, something goes in at the same time, we can mix those spices together and things like that, or we can have the raw ingredients pushed together, so that just reminds us that it's going to go in together, and then finishing items will be at the very end, so you can pop them in right at the very end just before you're going to serve. But this is a fantastic way to cook, especially if you haven't done the recipe beforehand and this is your first time sort of trialing it. Instead of referring back to the recipe and sort of losing those moments in between where your pan might be burning your onion or such, you've got that outline of which direction you're going in. If at any stage you do need to refer back to the recipe card, a good idea would just be remove your pan off the stove so you can stop or put a hold on any of that cooking that's going on. Take a quick check of the recipe card, and once you know what you're doing from then on, pop your pan back on and just continue with that line that you have in your order of ingredients there.